Welcome to Nanguya's investment channel. We are here just to show you one lesson, just to teach you one lesson. The lesson that we came with it today is based on this laptop you see here. This laptop, the screen is broken. Now, we wanted to change this screen and to put the one which is good, which is nice, like the way how you see it. The model number of this one, it's MECER Z140, like the way how it is. So most of the technicians or most of the people, they make mistake on this one. The moment they replacing LCD, they break also the case. So that is not applicable. That is not a eligible way that you're supposed to do. But me, I want to show you exactly way how you're supposed to use, the way how you can utilize it to fix this laptop. First, make sure you have a proper tool that you're supposed to use to unloosen the screws. So you can see in my hand, I carry the screwdriver that I wanted to use to unscrew this one. And I have a piece of magnet that I attach to this one in order to touch the screws easily, or to keep the screws not to scatter. Okay, now let's start. This one is the back side of the laptop. So first, let's take out this part. This part is a lid of the place where the hard drive is located. So we should remove the hard drive, but don't forget our mission is to replace the screen in this one. This is only the proper way how you can manage to fix this laptop without breaking anything or any case, any hook that you can maybe do by mistake to break those hooks, but this way you can't break anything. So this one is hard drive. I take it out the way how you see it. Now I will also take out this chip. This one is Wi-Fi chip for safety reason, just to pull and plug it and put it somewhere else proper. Now what I want to do, I wanted to remove this part. So there is remaining screws that I supposed to loosen. So first, take that from here. It has more screws. You know, already laptops, it has many screws. Some other laptops, it has 21 screws. Some other laptops, 18 screws. Depending the laptop. Some other laptops, 12 screws, depending the maker, depending the made of that laptop. But in this one, as you see, it has many. So make sure you remove all the screws from back, and you keep safety those screws somewhere. So in case that you wanted to assemble it back, you will no longer lose any screws. There now we come to the part of separating the chances. This one you can use or even your finger or even your nail just to remove the back cover. This one. This one is a hard drive flex. This one is hard drive flex. Now, I just remove this one in order to remove this screw which is under this board. Now, I'm removing the screws the way how you see it here. Okay, now what next is just to lift up this metal part, 1 and 2. Now I will just lift up this metal part, just lifting up like this. This side also do the same, like the way how I'm doing it. Yeah, okay, now I lift up this one. What next is just to hold this part and separate, like the way how it says 2 pieces now. Now what I'm remaining with is LCD. Why I remove the whole part like this one? Because of this edge. This edge, it affects many technicians. They just do shortcuts. They end up to break all those hooks. They touching this part so that it will be tight like the way how it is. Now, today I come with another strategy after finding out the challenges, more challenges whereby the more technicians are facing with. So what I'm dealing with is only this part. Our mission is just to replace a new screen without breaking anything. Now, I come to this part now. Forget about that part for now. Let's do this part. First, you remove the lever. This one. 1, 2, 3, 4. There is a lever. This part, small, very, very tiny. They close the screw. They hide the screw inside. So, in order, they put this one in order to make at least look the same case. So you know already this one is a screw, this one the rubber. So when they apply rubber here, it looks the same like this frame. So going to remove the screws. They are not all the laptops that you can use this way, but what is our lesson today is just to show you only the way how you can use this laptop. Only way how you can remove and put a new screen in this, remove all the screen and put new screen in this laptop. Some other laptops will have other lessons, maybe a lesson, this one is a lesson 1, maybe we'll have other lesson 2, you will get some other tips and skills on what? On this same lesson, according to the need of the laptop. Okay, now, I remove all those screws. Now what next? I wanted to lose this part. I want to separate this part with the LCD and the part. It's a frame. Where? Make sure you have at least a finger. No, don't use any tool, anything that is metal. You will break this glass. This is glass. It's easy to crack. So at least nail is okay because you can manage to hold it like the way how I hold it and start to remove it like the way how I'm doing. At least you can't break LCD. Now, I wanted to separate this frame from the main cases. This one. If you are a beginner, make sure you do gently, not just to force. If it's hard, don't just just at least it is hard, continue from the other side so that you can finish him with that side. Okay. Now I come to this side and continue from this side. Here there is a glue which is applied on this one. Not much stronger, but just to protect this one and this one. Just to tight this one and this one so that it will not be separated easily itself. Okay, now I'm busy removing this bottom part, which is sealed by the glue, and here is under. Make sure once I remove this one, I should also focus this side, because this side is the hooks, other side is the glue. So you must understand, once you remove it, glue this has hooks. So I remove it gently. I remove it gently, not just lash. If you laugh, you will break some other hooks that will cause another problem when you put it back. It will be weak. So glue is this side, on the front, on the back there is hooks. So make sure you remove glue back side. You see here, the way how I do, you see here, like that. Okay, now this side is glue. So make sure the glue, you apply your finger like so. This side you apply also, make sure all it goes together at once until you finish this part up to the edge of this one. Which means you will no longer break any hooks. I separate this LCD from the chance. What next is just to remove also some other screws that is attached to chance from the screen part. You see here, like the way how it is. Should remove all this screw. Then another screw here down. Another screw also is here. And also another screw here. Yeah. After removing the screw, now this LCD, it will come like this one. Now you will do like this, like the way how it is, like the way how I'm doing. Yeah. Now here is a connector, coit flex connector, display flex connector. That is connected by the camera and what, and the display part here to the motherboard, here to the display screen, here to the camera. Now there is glue, there is a sellotape they applying here. So we must remove it gently and separate this one. Now manage to remove this LCD. This LCD size is a 14.0 size and is a 30-pin connector. So make sure the moment you want to replace, you get a proper size of the LCD that you wanted to remove. Now here I have a new screen that I wanted to put. Now I have another screen that I want to put back. Make sure it's the same size, 14.0 and 30-pin connector. The way how I was disassembling is the way how I will assemble it back. Okay. Now for now, let's start to assemble it back to replace a new LCD. Okay. Now I'm starting with this side. Okay. This one, I'm going to plug it back. Yeah, going to plug it back, and the way how it was, should put it back again. The way how that old one was, this one also should be the same position. Okay. Now I will put back the screws that I take out from this. The goodness of magnet screw driver, it will help you to hold the screw and put on the position without any stress. So if you're using a magnet screwdriver, wherever you can shake it, anywhere you can manage to have that screw at the same position. Now I put back four screws that I take out from the back cover to screen. So which means I tie this screen back to back cover. Now the way how you see it. What next is to put the frame back. You can see this frame, the way how I take it out. I did not break anything. Now, remember I was taking out with the glue here. Make sure you also you have what? You have also this type of glue. This one is a double tape. That the same way how they was applied here, you will also apply this same glue on that same position. Now, let's apply this double tape glue on the position where the original glue was. But this one is a double tape. You see the way how to I applying. Okay, I applying exactly edge of the edge of the glass. The way where this one will stop is where also my glue is stopping. So that if I can put this one, glue will not appear on the screen. Now that makes it. Yes. Then we will peel it as the way how you know that this one is a double tape. So I should peel it. Peel it like the way how you see it. Now put back. I want to put back the frame. First, you start from under. Make sure the flex is on position the way how it was for the first time. Because if you put longly, then it will give you problem when you put back there to the main case. Okay. Let me. I'm starting from the bottom here. Is where there is what? Is where there is the frame. Frame edge is. Start from bottom here. Make sure this side is well tightened. Okay. Now here and start or even now or even on top. Just flip it back. Flip it back. See, it will go easily and it's not losing because the way how I take it out, I did not break any hooks. So the way how it is, the way how it was, the way how it is now. Okay. Now I should put it back the screws that I take out from out that will hold this frame to back cover to this case. Put it back on the screws. Now it's fine now the way how it is. Okay, let's come to this main part now. This part is where you can see battery, motherboard, and some other connectors like USB flex that connecting to this USB output. This one is output. Okay, now Take care of this part, because if you break, it will not recognize the will not recognize the hard drive. Now you put it back like the way how it was. Now remember, I was lifting up this one. Now the way how I put it here. Okay, what you will do now, you see the way how I put it. Now you will close. Once you close like this one, remember we was lifting this one up, lifting up. Now we're lifting it back because we assembled it. We assemble it now. I put back this one also. I put it back. Now what next is a screws that I was taken from this one. I was removing from this one. Put it back. Should put it back. But before, let me connect this flex cable that comes from screen. So connect here to the main motherboard. Okay. Now you can start to put it back the screw. All those 3 screws you take it out from here, you will put it back. But sometimes you can forget where exactly, because there are many holes. Get the back cover and check exactly what that you should spare when you put in screw, because this one you put it from outside. Now you can manage it to mapping it. Mapping hit this hole, which means the last hole we should spare it, and also last hole should spare it. Now, which means 1, 2, 3 should put that can hold this hinge. Okay. This one. Start from here. Now we come to this side. Make sure remember the hole that you will spare is this last one. Now I will put this one. After this one, we'll put back this one. This is a hard drive flex coming from that side, and it was here. Now I put it back. Okay, now let's back to this one, back cover. Yeah, now we're done. Put the back cover. Back cover. Use it. Just to do it. So can bring it back. It was Wi-Fi chip here. Don't forget to put it back. Enter there. Don't forget also the hard drive to put it back. Then we close the lid. Hard drive cover. And this port is coming from outside. You apply, you put a screw from outside. Right. Okay. Now is the way how you can put a new screen. The way how you can fix where the people are using, because it's fast on internet. Now, for the lesson of today, we will stop in here. Give a thanks to this channel. If you like this video, then you can like and share and subscribe, download in our from our channel. That is Nanguya's Investment.